Alright, so yo, check this out. I just found this mini bike on line on Facebook Market, and I'm on the way to go pick it up right now. I got like 45-minute drive right now ahead of me, but alright, it's kind of late now because I just got home. It's kind of all weird, so didn't really want to get him on camera, but just bear with me. A little bit more work than I thought, but when it's all said and done, it's gonna be crazy. So here it is right here. Check this out. All right, here we go. This is it. There we go, right there with a 4.0 horsepower Honda engine on it. Right here. Yeah. GX 120. So 120, but yeah. Chain's pretty tight, which not this one. Yeah, I mean it has some crazy stuff going on. I'm thinking about either replacing the handlebars, because look at that, if you see that, it just, so probably ain't too safe. I was thinking maybe I'll run something straight across here for more support to keep it held better, because this one's on pretty good, so if I had something on there like that, it'll be real good, but don't want to put too much pressure on that. Yeah, so might end up just grabbing new handlebars, try to grab something separate so I can just throw them in here. Probably end up just taking it, drilling it straight through there. Kind of dark, but yeah, drilling it straight through there. Don't know what color yet I'm gonna paint it, but just that's crazy. I'm thinking about painting that, putting a nice little cushion right there in the middle. Be nice. And then, yeah, got a little basket back here. Probably gonna end up taking that off. Looks crazy, but I don't know. Thinking about doing these shocks, probably red or something like that. I don't know. Not sure, because I'm not sure how I'm gonna do these ones. I'm not sure. So gotta sand all that, get all that nice and good. Yeah, this is gonna need some work for sure. But yeah, so I'll be stripping this thing down. I believe it does start. Well, yeah, it does start actually. Hold on. What's good, man? I'm back. You already know, got the mini bike right there, about to start taking it apart. And as you can see right here, yeah, it's a little rusty and everything. I'm about to strip it down. And after I'm done stripping it down, taking the engine off, I'll be putting it right there on the tarp. And I'll be putting some paint remover on there, getting that off. I got a few things from AutoZone. Got some of that right there, so I can take that paint off, you know what I'm saying, extra strength. Got this for the engine and stuff like that. I'm gonna probably use this stuff first after I'm done washing it off. After I take this engine off, I'm gonna wash it and yeah, get it nice and cleaned off. But yeah, so here's now, and stay tuned. We will be painting it green, and you just gotta stay tuned for the rest, because I ain't gonna let y'all know what else I'm gonna paint it. But y'all stay tuned. So yeah, here we go. Get it. So I got it right there drying in the sun. And yeah, I'm gonna start putting that paint stripper on it. And yeah, when it start drying, I'm gonna start putting that on there. But first, I'm gonna have to take off the back forks, because I'm gonna spray paint those a whole different color. That one, oh shit, fucking, that thing got a mind of his own. And this one right here, this one and that one, they're gonna be different. And that rest there, huh? Yeah. So, I'll take a little break real quick, and I'm about to get cracking on that, but you gotta let that shit dry. I need to find something to put this in real quick. Hold on. That's something over here I can use. That bucket, probably. I don't know if he's gonna eat through this plastic. Probably eat through plastic. I don't know. Find something though. How do you open that shit? Hold up. Part, because I'm curious to see what it's gonna look like. It's like alcohol. That's pretty dry. So I'm gonna put this little bit on here, and when I come back, see what it looks like. Go get lunch for my girlfriend and her sister. I'm gonna show you exactly where I'm putting it on, as you can see. Right on this middle bar. I already got black stuff on the paintbrush already. Don't know how much I should put on there, so I'm kind of just doing it as I go. Actually, I'm gonna just do the whole middle bar as much as I can get. Right there. Came off real easy. Like, let's see if it comes off easy now. Yeah. So as you can see, it does work. So I'm gonna get done scripting this, which is gonna take a while. So when I'm done doing that, then it's gonna be time to throw some paint on it, and that's gonna be crazy. Y'all just stay tuned. Stay tuned.
Let it come and let it be.